Welcome to Yard Mojo, your guide to transforming your yard into a paradise. Today we're wading into the world of planning rain gardens. With their dual functionality, these little patches of heaven can manage excess rainwater and serve as a thriving showcase for your favorite plants. But that's just scratching the surface. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of rain gardens. A rain garden is both a solution and a spectacle. It's a crafted basin designed to capture and manage excess rainwater, but it's actually much more. This is a stage that displays different plants. Each plant is chosen for its ability to grow in different amounts of water. We've all seen torrents of rainwater during a storm. Imagine a rain garden capturing that excess water and stopping it from causing damage to your property. This secret superpower comes down to one thing: the right soil. The soil in a rain garden plays a crucial role in managing stormwater. It's all about the grading and the soil type. But a rain garden isn't just about the practical, it's about the aesthetic too. Picture a canvas on which nature wields its brush. A slow-draining composite soil mix can create waterlogged conditions, perfect for those plants that love a good soak. Add in design elements like berms and depressions, and you've got a visually appealing landscape that can maximize water retention. A well-designed rain garden is a balancing act. It manages the needs of excess water management and showcases plants. So with the right planning, a rain garden can be both functional and beautiful. Designing a rain garden is about combining science and aesthetics. It starts with a clear goal, like managing rainwater or creating a plant showcase. Each purpose influences the design in unique ways. You need to first consider the size of your rain garden's basin. A larger basin can capture more stormwater, but it also requires more space and plants. For a plant showcase, use a smaller basin so the plants can be the focus. The depth of the basin is another important factor. A deeper basin can hold more water, but not all plants will thrive in deep water. To display different plants, use a shallow basin. It creates the right conditions for various plants. What about the shape? While a round or oval basin is common, there's no rule against getting creative. Adding a basin with an irregular shape to your yard can make it more appealing. This is especially true if the shape of the basin matches the natural curves of your landscape. Plant selection is a crucial part of a rain garden design. To manage stormwater, choose plants that can handle varying levels of moisture. These can absorb excess water and prevent soil erosion. To show plants, choose ones that can handle water and have pretty colors, textures, and flowers. A rain garden is more than function alone. It's an opportunity to look good while playing a part in conservation. To achieve your goals, it is important to design your rain garden well. The design is crucial, whether you manage stormwater or create a botanical display. A well-designed rain garden can be your yard's best feature. Let your creativity flow and design a rain garden that brings both beauty and function to your outdoor space. Let's dive into the construction process. Building a rain garden is a rewarding task that begins with soil considerations. Depending on your garden's purpose, you have a choice. It might need native soil, amended mixes, or slow-draining compositions. Native soil is the soil that already exists in your yard. An amended mix is native soil that's been enhanced with compost or other organic matter. Slow-draining compositions are for gardens that showcase plants that prefer waterlogged conditions. Once the soil has been decided upon, the next step is planting. The planting techniques can vary based on the chosen purpose. If your goal is managing stormwater, select rain garden plants that can tolerate varying moisture levels. If it's for showcasing beautiful plants, go for species that thrive in waterlogged conditions. The right plants contribute to both the functionality and aesthetics of your garden. Let's get into the design aspect. Berms and depressions aren't just for show, they enhance water retention and create a visually appealing landscape. Berms are raised areas that can direct water flow, while depressions are the low areas where water collects. Keep in mind, constructing a rain garden is not a one-size-fits-all project. We suggest seeking guidance from local experts to understand the nuances of your specific region. They can provide valuable advice tailored to your local climate and soil type. With careful construction, your rain garden will be ready to handle the rain and impress the neighbors. So there you have it, the dual magic of rain gardens. We've highlighted what they are, their diverse functions, and the art of designing one. We've explored the importance of soil types, plant selection, and the construction process. All these elements come together to create a beautiful, functional space that manages excess rainwater and showcases your chosen plants. Thank you for tuning in to Yard Mojo. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more yard transforming content.